Okay, besties, I've been in the kitchen all day and it is freezing outside, so tonight's dinner is going to be super fast. I'm going to make an Instapot chicken tortilla soup. Super fast, no pre-cooking. Come on. All right, like I said, no pre-cooking. We're gonna rapid fire. So first up, we have our rotisserie chicken that I deboned earlier and I put in the freezer, and I'm also making bone broth back there. You can also make this in your crock pot, but my crock pot is currently filled with bone broth. So we're gonna do it in the Instapot, super fast. So chicken in, a can of sweet corn right inside. Once again, no pre-cooking, everything is done for you. This is a can of Bush's seasoned black beans. Normally I would drain black beans, but these are seasoned. They're meant to actually have that juice in there. But again, you do you. We're not stressing. We are not stressing. A can of Rotel Original. If you don't like that, you could do the mild. Again, my husband thinks ketchup is spicy, so I have to be careful with that, but we're just using that in there. We're gonna go in with some garlic. Again, I am not chopping, not doing anything. Measuring with my heart, super fast. Without also not chopping, these chopped onions, I get them from Kroger or from Ralph's. If you don't wanna chop, these save you in a pinch. Measure with your heart, there you go. To spices, there are a lot of them in here, so let's get ready, rapid fire. First up, obviously, we're gonna do garlic powder. No measuring. Measure with your heart, measure with your ancestors. Let them guide you. Okay, so that was onion powder. I go with a little tahine, you know. The family loves a lime. I think it's like the favorite profile for my family, but you know. We have a little sazon total. You don't need a lot of this. This is, again, a lot of things are gonna be seasoned. We're also using some seasoning packets, so don't be crazy. We don't need to add extra salt. We have some original taco seasoning. We do a lot of Mexican in this household, so I buy it in bulk. And I didn't use a lot of that because this is the star of the show. This is Fiesta Ranch dip mix. So this is literally tastes like, if I had to compare it to anything, it kind of tastes like ranch Doritos, but in like the most delicious way. I'm telling you, if you can find it, do it. We have one package of Sazon Goya going right in. And is that it? I think that is everything. Like, is that it? Everything but the kitchen sink, but it's delicious. I'm telling you, it's delicious. So that goes right in, and then we are going to add, this is some nor, this is the tomato chicken, the caldo tomato de pollo. So bring that in because you just want to add, this is a soup after all, so you want to make this a little soupy. I'm gonna add that in. Lid goes on, 10 minutes. Manual, done. That fast. I'll be back when it's done. For those who don't use Instant Pot or don't know, what I meant by manual, you put the lid on, and that is on the pressure, so you pressurize. So just turn it on, hit it for 10 minutes. Timer just went off, so we can do a quick release. All right, it just released. Again, there is a lot of fail safes. If you're scared of the Instapot, don't be, because it is totally safe. Oh my goodness, this smells incredible. The entire house smells like chicken tortilla soup. So this is like it's been cooking for hours because of that pressure. So now to finish it off, you can add a block of softened cream cheese. I don't have that because we were at Costco, so we have it in this gigantic tub for a household. So just add about a block of cream cheese in there. Now you want to kind of let it sit in there. Don't immediately stir it in because you want to temper the cheese because you don't want it to curdle. That's just, you know, that's just something you want to do. So I'm gonna let this sit for a second. So I'm gonna stir it all in, and then I'm going to finish it with some cilantro, and then we're gonna serve it up. Fresh cilantro right in the pot, and then you want to save some for garnish as well. If you don't like cilantro, don't be stressing. Don't add it. It's up to you. This is your pot. This is your meal. Time to serve it up. I'm gonna serve my son's bowl first. I'll serve my oldest. So I like to put a little bit of tortilla chips. Again, this is tortilla chicken soup. A little tortilla chips in the bottom because that actually melds into the soup itself. You can kind of see, oh my gosh, do you see that? This soup is so rich, thick, delicious. And you want to get the soupy part in there as well, because again, it is soupy, but there's so much chicken, the corn, the beans, incredible. So then you want to add in your cilantro, yeah. And my kiddos, they love their cheese. We have a Mexican blend here, so we'll do that. And there you go, here. Oh, actually, let's do a little bit more chips on top, just for a little garnish. I like to make a little right on top there. Here, I'll taste it. You'll never know, you'll never know. A little bit of this. Guys, it's so, like I said, it's rich because you have that broth that has been pressure cooked. So it's like it's been cooking all day. And then all of the spices, all the spices, you know, I put in there. It's just so good. The cilantro, this, and it's cold outside, so this is just so comforting. We're actually going to go watch Marty Supreme tonight, so this is the perfect thing for a movie, and yeah, just like to curl up with a blanket. So thank you guys so much for keeping me company today in the kitchen. I have loved our FaceTimes. If you haven't already, make sure you follow so that we can FaceTime every 5 minutes. I love you guys. How was your day? Comment down below, let me know. And let me know if you make this. Again, you can make it in the crock pot or you can make it on the stove. Either way, we're not stressing. All right, I love you guys. Good night.